There is a loneliness that will follow you till you're dead in the ground. An albatross hanging around your deserted apartment, half dead and knocking over all your best books and glasses. 50 years old and crying into your morning cup of coffee, wondering where the kids could be and if they brought a jacket. Shitting yourself in a doctor's office, but it's okay. He'll give you pills. Take 3 with milk every night before you fall asleep. And dream of some other place you've been, but can't exactly remember.
As First Lady, I have to practically flaunt love and beauty so that the 50 million Filipinos will see what is to love and what is to positively feel and what is perfection.
First saved voice message.
Jaizi, this is Papa. We just got home and I got your stuffs from the mailbox. Thank you so much anyway. I know you're leaving tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. So good luck and we wish you everything good for you. And of course, with God's blessing all the time. And make sure that you remember Him always also. Okay? Take care. Happy trip. Bye-bye.
End of message.
You know the pussy is all.
I'm your little senorita.
We're probably going to see psycho sluts from Hell at the Plex. No, I will not go to the Rialto.
It's been getting so hard, living with the things you do to me.
I'm Rachel. I'm an artist and a teacher. I'm like so excited to be in New York. It's like such a cultural city. And there are like so many cute guys here. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, but I feel like really optimistic. I just feel like this calling.
I was born in the Congo. I walked to the Fertile Crescent and built the Sphinx. I designed a pyramid so tough that a star that only glows every 100 years falls into the center, giving divine, perfect light. I am bad. I sat on the throne drinking nectar with Allah. I got hot and sent an ice age to Europe to cool my thirst. My oldest daughter is Nefertiti. The tears from my birth pains created the Nile. I am a beautiful woman.
My name is Edna. I am from the Philippines. I am 86 years old. I enjoy making photographs of my loved ones and going to parties sometimes. My family came from the farms, so when we moved to the States, it was a shock. But in time, I was able to adapt. Once a marine biologist told me octopuses have 3 hearts. I wonder what I'd do with 8 arms, 2 eyes, and too many ways to give myself away. See, I only have 1 heart, and I know loving a woman can make you crawl out from under yourself, or forget the kingdom that is your body. And what would you say, octopus? That you live knowing nobody can touch you more than you do already. That you can't punch anything underwater, so you might as well drape yourself around it. Bring it right up to your mouth. Let each suction cup kiss what it finds. That having this many hands means to hold everything at once, and nothing to hold you back. That when you split, you turn your blood blue and pour out more ocean. That you know heartbreak so well, you remove all your bones, so nothing can kill you.
Twin sister, her name fuck you, fuck me. See?
Oh, hi, sweetheart. Good morning. How was your night?
It was okay.
Yeah, why? Why just okay?
I got like kind of drunk.
Oh no. Were you with a bunch of friends?
Yeah, at first.
Yeah, and then?
I guess I just met some other people at the bar. They were like going to a party, so I don't know. It just like got kind of weird. Do you want me to chop this?
Actually, use this knife better because it's sharper. And then, so what time did you get home?
Maybe like 3.
Ooh, that is late.
Do you want these cut this way?
Yes. So I want them in bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add them to that blue dish that's there. And then I'll add the salt and pepper. So did you get enough sleep though? Last night?
Baby, I told you, you can't keep making us late everywhere we go. Last time we did that, Ashley had to pay the bill, and we didn't even have time to get what we needed to get on time.
You are always
Every time, you just tell us,
Hold on, baby, look at her.
what
What's
happened?
wrong with you? What's wrong? Yeah.
Just give the girl her keys.
Yeah, baby, you alright?
We gotta go.
I'm upstairs, okay?
She's okay.
Call me if you
Have a good night, honey.
Anyway.
I told you, you already made us late, and you got to make us more late. Damn. Let's go.
All with
My very good friend, compadre, is coming over for merienda this afternoon. Very good friend since college days. Hey. Oh, maganda. The barcada. Where did I put?
I love my scars, my worn face. I love my teeth as I brush my teeth. I love when I get too loud for a room. I love being forgetful. I love that I don't care who's watching. I love that I have to be in bed by 10 p.m. I love that I can't stop loving. I'm learning to love myself.
Sinister plans on sinister dudes, sinister motifs, sinister moves, sinister shine on sinister moves.